Hey Zealplex.
Yes, say.
Hey Zealplex, can you teach me Java?
Yeah, sure. Let's get started and let's get right into it.
What's up everyone, welcome to the 8th video of learning Java. In this video I'm going to be teaching about boolean data type and nesting of if-else statement. So let's get started and let's see how we can do that. So as you know that boolean data type is like a switch. Whenever you turn on your lights, it is going to go and give you the lights, but whenever you turn it off, it is going to dark your room. So let me just go ahead and show you how it is done in codes of Java. So I'm going to go ahead and type boolean and give it my boolean and give it as true or false. TRUE, true or false. It can be true or it can be false, so whether we can turn it on or turn it off. So I'm going to go ahead and give you about how we can use it in if statement. So I'm going to go in this, and here I'm going to type my boolean, give it as true, and inside here SYSO control spacebar. So here I'm going to go ahead and type my boolean is true, and let me just go and give you an example of there is some error. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, now it's fine, it's matching this one. So I'm going to go ahead and comes over here, and I'm going to go and give it an example for you to understand. Let me just go and add an a and give it a value as 5 and close this one. Int b is equal to 10. So I have added two examples over here, so I'm going to go ahead and check it out if it is true or it is false. So there I'm going to add a is greater than b, and inside the curly brace I'm going to go and add SYSO control spacebar, and here I'm going to go ahead and type a is smaller than b. So this is how it is going to go ahead and check it out, that a is smaller than b. So it is going to go ahead and execute this one. As you know that this is going to be printed out over here, so now what we have to do, it is showing false, so it is not true technically, TRUE. And if you make a spelling mistake over here, this is going to give you any problem that you have done any mistake. So there you see, as I am recording this video, I'm not concentrating on my keyboard, I'm concentrating on what I'm going to go ahead and explain you next. Okay, anyways, as you can see it right over here, it is true. There's one more thing that is being shown in the programming world, that if it is true or false, then why do we have to write this one? As you know that it is going to go ahead and try that out like that only. Why do we need to have a true and false statement for it? So there is one more thing that we can do it with, that is in boolean data type. Let me just go ahead and explain you that, as you can see it right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a double true and type TRUE. So that is going to check that if it is a boolean, it is going to be true, and if not, then I'm going to go ahead and type FALSE. But for a shortcut for this one, what is the problem, that if it is true or false, there is one shortcut for that, and I don't like that really much, but this is how it is going to do. But for the boolean type, in some cases you will be very helpful for that. So there is like adding this, there is a greater than sign, and if it is not equal to, I'm going to go ahead and press shift and then press 1. So this exclamation mark, it is going to give it that it is false, and if the exclamation mark is not there, then it is going to be treated as true. Same way, if you comes over here, it is showing you that it is true. I'm going to go and add double sign to it, so it is going to treat that this statement is true. So what if I remove this, and there is a shortcut whenever you go and read someone's source code, there you may find out that they must have been added an exclamation mark to it. So that exclamation mark is going to tell that it is true. As you know that I don't like this exclamation mark, it was for a shortcut, and if it is false, so I'm going to go ahead and add double quotes to it. Double is equal to, that is going to be equality check, and I'm going to go ahead and type false, false. So it is false. So this is how the boolean data type is going to work. So next I'm going to go ahead and teach you about nesting. So let me just go ahead and remove all of this. So I'm going to go ahead and type our previous lessons which we have learned about if-else statement. So I'm going to go ahead and try that out. Score, inside the score, here I'm going to go and give it, for example, let me just go and try that out. Sorry for typing slow. Anyways, so this is how this if-else statement is going to look like. SYSO, and here I'm going to go and give it this point of time u1 this level. So I'm going to go and give it an example that how this boolean data type is going to be look like. So okay, that is showing me error because I have not added the quotes to it. So now I added the quotes and now error is gone. Okay, now error is gone and code is similar to it. The score is not added because there is no So as you know, the code is there, it is going to give the value, and this is how it is going to do. So next what I am going to do is, as I teach you about boolean data type, so now in this example I am going to show you that how boolean data type is going to be used in the if statement. So I'm going to go ahead and give it as boolean and give it as if on the level there is one key to it, and if he goes and take the key and complete the level, it is going to give that you have taken the key as well, so you will get the bonus. So let me just go and print out another statement to it, but let me give it a boolean has key is equal to true. So it is going to assign that this player has the key or not. So there is one nesting to it, so I'm going to go ahead and add if statement, and I'm going to go ahead and type has key inside the quotes. I'm going to go ahead and type syso, and here I'm going to go ahead and type you also has a key and you clear the area to a next level. So as you know that it has been cleared like this, so this is how it is going to show that you have cleared this area, and now it has a key as well. So now what it is going to do, it is going to take this if statement, as you know that we are going to go ahead and add else statement and if statement to it, but if the score goal has been true, so it is going to check that the score has been showing that it is more than 1000, and the score has been more than 1000, and it has also taken the key to it in the level. We will go ahead and give him a secret, and it is going to be giving that you have also taken the key to the next level, so we will give them extra point to it. So that's how it is going to give that your score has been true and you also has the key for it. So you can go ahead and unlock the another level in the next stage. So that's up for this video. I'll try something else and I'll teach something else in the next video.
Click on the link above and watch more video to learn more.
Thanks for you for teaching me Java in a simple way.
If you like to learn more, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And also make sure to like this video. If you have any question you can ask it in the comments section below.
Yeah, sure, Zealplex, I will do that for sure.